Oh, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight. Y'all, I got a treat for you. I've got that beautiful, almost 20-pound Full Moon BBQ brisket that I went and picked up at Full Moon BBQ the other day. I want y'all to look at this beauty. Look, and this is the fat cap side. Look at that. You almost want to do no trimming on it. Perfect. Lay it down like that. I want y'all to see, where can you see it over here? Some of this and marbleization in that brisket is super nice. Where do we get over here to the other side? But anyway, I'm just going to put some of their Full Moon BBQ. This is their Southern seasoning. All right, this is all they say they use on their brisket. So I want to get that same, a good taste profile. We're going to go all over the back of this thing, and then we're going to go down to the front side. Oh, I'm going to open this thing up a little bigger and kind of shake. There we go. There we go. I ain't worried about wasting nothing. We're gonna get us a good coating on this brisket, y'all. Man, this stuff smells good. Tastes really good too. Almost a buttery, garlicky taste, you know. We can get some all right over there, so we get some good bark. I might get here over here on the other side. We'll get the ends and everything else. Definitely we'll get this big end down here. Meteor end. The heel, as I call it here, on the point. All right, so we're gonna get that good. A good season all over there. All right, kind of pat that down a little bit. All right, then we'll flip it over to the lean side. Put that in. Let that pat sweat in, whatever. There's our lean side right there. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we're going to go over to the lean side. So like this. We'll get this seasoning all over this brisket. And we're going to let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, we're going to put it on that Lone Star right there, y'all. Tell me what, it's going to be good. It's going to be fine. Big old piece of meat to take a bit of seasoning. Alright. So we'll make sure I got all the little corners and everything else. Okay. And we're just gonna let this sit here on the meat, put it in the fridge and let that soak in overnight, y'all. Tell you what, that's gonna be mighty fine. I can't wait to give it a try tomorrow once we get it off the pit. Alright, y'all, it's 4:30 in the morning. We're out here at the pit. We're gonna be cooking on the Lone Star pellet cooker. Got her fired up to about 430 degrees. Got some lumberjack pellets. Got competition blend mixed with some pecan blend. What we're gonna do, we got 40 pounds of pellets in the hopper there, and we got the grill fired up. About to throw the old brisket on. All right, I always keep my briskets in a pan like this as I put them on. Get them started out. Put that bad boy back there. Just put it to rest. Oh yeah, we'll see it later on. Y'all, here's it's next morning. It's about 8, 9 o'clock. And look, I just put a probe in it to show y'all what it looks like real quick. Absolutely beautiful. So we probed her. We'll see what she does. I'm gonna go to work. Be checking it, you know, on the app, here on the Fireboard app. That's one beauty about this pit as we go. Oh, this Lone Star grill is kicking and going. It's set at 225, and I put it on 4 hours ago, about 4.5 hours ago, and it's already at 100 degree internal temperature. So this thing was ripping and kicking. So anyway, I'm gonna run to work. I'm gonna keep it monitored on my phone, and we'll see how it goes. I just got home from work. This thing's reading about 170 internal. I want y'all to look at it. I want you to see that absolutely beautiful bark that's set up right there. Look at that. Now we about to wrap this bad boy, okay? Oh yeah. Look at that smoke rolling out that Lone Star. My goodness. So we just wrapped the brisket, and I poured about 1.5 cups of beef consomme in there, canned beef consomme. That's always good for a brisket wrap. I want y'all to see what it looks like real quick. See right there, it's wrapped. Put it back in the pan, and We'll let this go. I'm gonna cut my heat up to about 280 right now, as now we're shooting for that magical 203. All right, y'all, now is the moment of truth here. We're going to cut into this meat here. Oh yeah, we got this brisket. Got the full Moon BBQ style with that seasoning on there. I'll look down at that beautiful piece of meat. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to read the meat, y'all. You want to see where that grain's going. See it's going across like that. We'll make sure we cut it against that grain, or else it'd be tough. It won't be good to eat. Let me show y'all this too. I pulled her off. Look at that jiggle. See that thing jiggling? That's what you're looking for when the brisket's doing that, and that tenderness. Now I pulled it off at about 200 degrees. Let's go ahead and cut on into her. Make the first couple cuts. Cut that little heel off there. Like this. That's what, like the thickness I like, just like that. Okay. Just go on with that. Look at that. Hopefully y'all can see. Look, let me bring y'all in a little bit. You can see that juiciness. Now that brisket slicing. Okay, look, that's a perfect slice right there. Look at that. Right there on that brisket. That's what we're looking for. Now, do a little bit of pull test right there. See how she pops right across, don't crumble, but just pulls just like that. That's a beautiful piece of meat. I'm gonna go ahead and carve just a little bit more before we taste it. Man, that looks beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. I mean, that's juicy. Just so fine right there. That big old nice brisket from Blue Moon. I mean, Full Moon, sorry. Full Moon BBQ. And I just took it home and prepared it, y'all. Absolutely beautiful looking. I want y'all to flip around and see this side. Look at that smoke room we got off that Lone Star cooker. Look at that, y'all. Is that not beautiful? I'll bring you some light in right there. That is fine. I'm telling you. We're gonna try it here in just a minute. I promise. I just want to get a good picture of it here just for a second. That's beautiful. All right, y'all. We're gonna try a little piece right here on camera with you. One of these little pieces that I broke off. Look at that. Look at, and this is a flat. So once you see that juiciness, oh, let's see right there. But I mean, that is. Son. That is mighty fine. Just that little bit of fat on the bottom left. Oh yeah. And it's got that Full Moon BBQ seasoning. Brings out just enough without overpowering that meat. Y'all. So blessed to have this tonight. I really appreciate everybody and Full Moon too for helping me, because Brisket just been crazy lately. Even though I had to buy this, I haven't even hardly been able to find it. That is fine right there. We're gonna cut to the point here in just a second, y'all. I'm gonna say this. Y'all, I'm just gonna kind of cut it in half here. Get a little bit of both, but remember where that grain's running. Don't wanna mess that up. Grain's run like that. So we wanna make sure we make our slices. You see that point, we'll turn that muscle around on you. But watch this. So we cut this off right here. I want y'all to look at something. Tell me if it's got any juice or anything like that up in there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful piece of beef. Oh my gosh. That is wonderful. And what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Y'all, it's mostly flat right there. And look at that flat. Look at that. Look at that flat muscle. Look at that. Is that absolutely gorgeous? I'm gonna take this point. I'm gonna cut across some. So you want to cut across the grain. A lot of times I just keep this up in the burn ends, but I'm gonna do some fatty slices. I'm gonna try that there tonight. Look at that. That point. Oh yeah. Look at the tenderness. Let's go ahead and try that. Oh man. Oh Oh my gosh, y'all, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Y'all be right back here to try something else. Let me just say, I want to try, I got some toast here. I want to take a little piece of this lean here. I'll put that on the toast. Just make me like a little brisket sandwich. Okay. A little bit of fatty. Then I'm going to take the Alabama white sauce right here at Full Moon BBQ. I love a good white sauce. And put some out on there. Oh yeah. Alright. And we'll try a little sandwich. Give that a try. It was sometime fine, y'all. Made that with that keto bread and it barely ain't that great, but the rest of it is amazing. Thank y'all so much. Remember, like my videos, sub my channel. Y'all go check out folks over at Full Moon BBQ. We want to get that brisket right. Thank y'all so much. Remember, like my videos, sub my channel, and God bless. Y'all have a good one. Let me get back to this brisket.